What's up, guys? Check out this really cool vacuum sealer I have here. It's a great way to preserve your food, to keep it fresher longer. I have some onions and some homemade salsa that I have, and I just wanted to show you how easy this thing is to use. Let's put our onions and our salsa in the bags here real quick. So it's always nice to have some onions handy. So what we like to do is freeze them up. We can put them in this bag here, pre-cut. Comes with these really nice bag sealers too, so you're just gonna put this around the bag. You can just seal it right up. Nice and easy. Gives it a nice seal. I take the handheld vacuum sealer, put it right over that port there, and then you're just going to push the power button. It's going to suck all the air out, helping to preserve your food, keep it fresher longer, especially if you like to throw it in the freezer. This is a great way to do it. Get all that air out. That way it helps prevent the frostbite of your food. And when it's done, it shuts off on its own just like that. What's really nice is this has a really long battery life. You can use this over 3,000 times on a single charge. To charge it up, you're simply going to plug the charging cable that it's provided right into the charging port. And in about 2 to 3 hours, you're going to have a fully charged battery ready to go for you. So let's do the salsa real quick. Show you how it is with a liquid. Bags do a great job with liquids too. I have my salsa in the bag. Gonna zip it on up. So I'm going to take our vacuum sealer, put it over the port, turn it on, and try and suck all the air out of there. And you can see we got the air out. It's just a great way to help preserve any extra food that you may have. The salsa here is great when you put it in the freezer. You can pull it out, thaw it anytime you want it, and it's ready to go, especially for a party. I absolutely love these bags. These bags seal up really nice, and it holds that seal so well. You can tell the seal around the onions is really tight. There's no air in there. And these are just high quality bags. A really nice handheld vacuum sealer. It works so well. It's nice and easy to use. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.